Hey lovelies, so if you are not on my Telegram channel, I just want to ask you, why are you not yet on my Telegram channel? The link is always pinned on my first comment in any of my airdrop videos, or in the description box of any of my airdrop videos. So why have you not joined? So today I just want to show you some of your popular airdrop project listing dates. And I am very pissed off right now at some markets because the market has not said anything about listing. So if you're on my Telegram channel, you'll have seen it as the hot as usual. So these are the listing dates for November, that is this month. We have Pandas. Pandas is listing date is 15th to 30th of November. We also have Geeks. Geeks is 18th of November. Then we have Dusckchain is 18th of November. Then we have Memefi, 22nd of November. We have Major, 28th of November. We have Bird, 30th of November. We have Bits, 30th of November. We have CatIDpaws, 30th of November. We have Hashcats, which is also in November, but there's no particular date yet. They just said November. So, and in December, we have Ratsking. We have Ratsking, which is 1st of December. We have Meerkatcoin, which is 13th to 31st of December. We have Gamefi, finally, which is 21st of December. We have Frogfarm, which is December, no particular day yet, but they just said December. We have Catgoldminer, which is also in December, no particular date yet. We have Wcoin, yeah, which is December. We have Simplecoin, which is December, and we have Seed, which is in December. From Frogfarm to Seed, they've not specifically mentioned a particular day in December, but it's in December. Yes. So if you have not joined my Telegram channel to get updates as they hot, you better join and do yourself a favor. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Susan. This is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop tax solution on my Telegram channel only. So you need to join. Airdrop updates from time to time, millinery tutorials, my no-fail commercial business recipe on cakes, small chops, catering, food trays and the likes, and also I share vlogs on family lifestyle, you just name it. So this is that channel you want to subscribe to. Now, I told people on my Telegram channel that I'll be doing a crypto trading crash course 101 for free on the YouTube channel, and I said I was going to do that once to market list, but it looks like the market is not listing anytime soon. So you guys, by the end of this month, I'm going to be doing my crypto trading 101 crash course, like what you need to know about crypto trading, what you can do with your coin, and all. In fact, it's going to be a baby first step kind of class. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, join now and subscribe. If you have not yet turned on your notification bell, do that now. And if you have not still joined my Telegram channel, it's still open for you to join. So that is all for me for now. See you in another subsequent video. Bye for now. Also remember to engage me in the comments section. I usually respond to your comments and questions. Yeah, my past records speaks for themselves. So that is all for now. Bye.